Hey everyone, today I'm gonna deviate a little bit of my usual topics lately. I'm gonna discuss about Power Query and get the CSV file transformed into Excel format. So what is CSV file? CSV is like comma separated values file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explain to you the Power Query. So the Power Query is a data connectivity and transformation tool developed by Microsoft to simplify ETL. ETL is like extract, transform, load processes. Its primary purpose is to automate data preparation tasks, enabling users to clean, reshape, and integrate data from diverse sources into actionable formats for analysis or reporting. The key functions of Power Query is the data connectivity. Power Query connects to hundreds of data sources including files like Excel, CSV, databases like SQL Server and Oracle, you know. And then the data transformation, another key functions of Power Query. Through its intuitive graphical interface, users can remove duplicates, filter rows or split columns, merge data sets, for example, combining sales records from multiple regions, pivot and pivot data. Another key function is automation and reusability. Queries can be saved and refreshed to update datasets automatically, ensuring consistency across reports. And integration with Microsoft Power Query is embedded in Excel via the get and transform data, which we're going to do a little bit later. The Power BI for data modeling and visualization. Power Automate and Azure Data Factory, advanced customization. Okay, purpose in data workflows, reduce manual effort, automates of data preparation tasks, freeing time for analysis, ensure data quality, standardizes, formats handlers missing values and enriches datasets, and scalability. Example workflow: connect, import sales data from an Excel file and a SQL database. Transform, clean duplicates, merge tables and calculate profit margins. Load output to an Excel dashboard for Power BI report. So, by streamlining these steps, Power Query bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights, making it indispensable for analysis and businesses. So the things that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the data tab right here in Excel spreadsheet. Then if you see this get and transform data, I'm gonna open this from text/CSV. So I got this folder open. I got the CSV file. Open it. So I got this dialog box where I got already the CSV file. As you can see, this is the CSV, comma separated values. So you got name, age, job title, department, date, started, salary, and the content of the data set. Okay, like the names, okay, the ages, the job title, department, etc. So this is a raw data what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transform this or convert this into Excel file. Okay, so at the bottom you got the transform data. I'm gonna click this. Already got the Power Query editor open. Okay, you got the, just like the Excel, you got the ribbon. Okay, and you got this thing here, and it opened my CSV file right here. It displays the CSV file, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do for this exercise is I'm gonna convert this into Excel file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open in the ribbon split column. So I'm gonna open the split column. In the split column, you got the split column by delimiter, by number of characters, positions, lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase, digit to non-digit, and non-digit to digit. Okay, so since we have the comma, the delimiter, our delimiter is the comma, so I'm gonna click the delimiter. I got this dialog box, split column by delimiter. So if you open this bar, you got different kinds of delimiter. You got comma, colon, equal sign, semicolon, etc. I'm gonna click this comma since we are having comma in our CSV file. Then I'm gonna click OK. So there you have it. You got the file, the column separated for the CSV file into a Excel format. So we got the name, the age, the job title, department, date started, and salary. Okay, but I got the column here, 1, column 2, column 3, etc. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this in the row 1. You got the name, age, job title, department, and date started, and salary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use first row as headers. I'm gonna click this. Actually, I don't need this query setting, so I'm gonna, right now I don't need this. So I'm gonna close that one so that we can see everything. Okay, so you already have the name, age, job title, department, date started, and the salary is already in separate columns. So what I'm gonna do is you see this close and load, just click this. Okay, so in a while another spreadsheet tab will open below. So I got, okay, I don't need this right now, queries and connections, so I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna zoom it. Okay, so what I got here already formatted in table in the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, the name, the ages, the job titles, departments, date started, and the salary. So that's it for today. I hope you like this presentation. If you do, please subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.